Before working with Vibrant Wellness Program, my life was very complicated. I had a variety of health issues, serious allergies, some asthma, fibromyalgia, a lot of pain, and very frequent illnesses. I had been to a lot of doctors. I had been on a lot of medicine, and nothing seemed to work long term. What made me say yes to the Vibrant Wellness Program was that everything else had failed. I had been going there for acupuncture for a while, and I knew that made me feel better. I just felt like there had to be something different that was not pharmacologically based that would help me feel better in the long term. If there was anything in the Vibrant Wellness Program that could have prevented me, the cost was a big factor, just because we had never invested that much in my health at one time before. What makes the Vibrant Wellness Program different from things that I've tried in the past is that it's a holistic effort by everyone at Lotus Health. It was Dr. Jayne, it was Megan, it was the nutrition, the different types of services that were available. It was combining and looking at deeper things that any doctor had ever looked at. Things in my gut, things in my adrenal system that had never really been taken into account before. I really felt that the support was really what I needed, and the accountability. What surprised me the most about the Vibrant Wellness Program is that I could actually do it, because I was afraid of taking all these supplements. I was afraid of taking so many things out of my diet and really upending the way I ate, the way I exercised, all of that stuff. They helped me get through and continue on even in some really difficult times. What I'm doing now that's different from before the Vibrant Wellness Program is that, number one, I am looking so much more critically at what I eat, products that I use, and what goes into my body and my system. And I'm taking so much more seriously the idea that I can be in control, because for a long time I just felt like I was out of control. And so I could be in control of how I ate. I'm eating so much better. I'm sleeping so much better. And I think the biggest thing for me is that my pain is seriously reduced. My allergies are much better than they were. I have not gotten seriously sick in months and months. And all of that to me is such a significant difference in my lifestyle and my life circumstances that it's just incredible to me. I would recommend the Vibrant Wellness Program because it is a step that puts you back in control of your health. It is a step away from modern medicine. It is a step away from drugs. It's a step away from dependency on doctors and things. Since working with the Vibrant Wellness Program, my future looks like it's going to be a longer, healthier life. I think I see myself spending really great time with my grandchildren, being able to really physically keep up with them, just being able to do the things that I want to do now that we're getting into retirement age, not feeling like I'm not going to have anything to do, or I'm not going to feel like doing anything, or I'm not going to be healthy enough. I'm going to be able to do the things, travel and participate in sports and do different things that I want to do, which before this program I don't think I would have felt. Mary Benton, Virginia Beach, Virginia.